industry in India, the way we see the government initiative which is driving the Digital India campaign, which will impact certain different mini verticals. Either it's banking, it's telecom, it's government services, and other vertical service, citizen services, which the government will try to reach out to every common people. This is the biggest initiative which will drive the change, which will drive the utilization and adoption of IT in every aspect of life. Also, you see the telecom sector rising up, financial sector coming up, and with Make in India campaign, we might also see manufacturing sector contributing to the growth. And major importance, if you see one more vertical which we want to focus is the e-commerce industry. That's growing day by day, and everything the way it is moving from online to digital to mobile, that require a robust IT infrastructure to sustain the growth and service to the customers. So these are key factors which the industry trends which will impact the IT market growth, and we see that contributing to big success and growth in the coming future days. In today's customer landscape, which is changing at a very rapid pace, the business model has to be agile, has to be efficient, and has to be scalable. And to achieve this business model, which is so responsive to the changing customer need, IT will have to play a big role, and it has to be an enabler and tool which will make the business responsive to the customer need, and which will bring the solution for the overall organization to respond to the customer need. So I see a great role of technology, great adoption of the technology and usage of the technology as we move from online to offline to and to mobile, and there is a lot of convergence happening in the overall consumer space. Either it's a B2B customer or it's an end customer in a consumer space. So we see technology playing the key enabler in connecting the dots and ensuring the products, goods, and services are delivered to the end customer with the best customer experience. The key mistake with the digital marketer make these days are not having an integrated digital strategy. Digital is not only about search. It includes a lot of different vehicles in digital approach. It can be search, it can be content marketing in a different way, it can be social media marketing in a complementing it. It has to be a video strategy. It can be a different way that you approach to a customer stories and all together. So that's the key point is to have everything integrated in one space and see that how you complement each other. And every vehicle have to have a different objective. So that plan has to be really look at what is my end objective and which vehicle is the best to approach the customer from a digital approach. Second is also to always factor is that the way the consumption is happening of the content is more on mobile rather than on desktop. So you have to ensure that your content is very suitable and adapted for the mobile consumption of the the asset or the videos or any graphics you use. That is also very key. Second, if you look at a major thing which we miss out today is the social media marketing. The social media marketing has to be an integral part of your digital strategy. That's the next future on which everything is getting converged also on digital. And there has to be a customer life cycle journey on the digital thing. How he arrives at your landing page has to start from some search he starts with, and how he'll get influence in the different marketing vehicle on the digital touch point, whether it's social, whether it's LinkedIn, whether it's Facebook, whether it's Google Plus, and any other approach he takes on to that. So it has to be integrated, and there has to be a different touch point in the life cycle of the customer and the digital journey to arrive at decision. So one has to have a clear strategy around it, and has to work around in a clear metrics how we can measure it. Today, also the biggest challenge in the digital marketing, I see it as the measurement metric, because nothing is defined by the industry. So one has to really work out how he defines it and how we try to evolve as they move ahead in the digital strategy for their company and organizations.